I am going to show you step by step how you can create YouTube shorts that are going to help you go viral fast in today's video. So see you soon on the other side.
Welcome to rock a world where vision comes alive. With design and coordination, we help you thrive. Beautiful events, crafted with care. Join us on the journey, we'll take you there. Subscribe today, don't miss a beat. Rock a world events, watch your dreams grow.
By the way, guys, we offer event planning and design services. So you can check out our website www.rockaworld.com for more information. To generate our YouTube shorts, we are going to start with DeepSeek, and you can access it via www.deepseek.com, like you can see over here. And once you search for that, it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, you will have to sign up, and now we are going to click on this button that says Start Now. It's then going to bring you to this page, and the reason as why we are using DeepSeek AI is because we want to get ideas and also get to know what niches are doing really well when it comes to YouTube shorts. So I have a prompt already. I'm just going to go ahead and input it over here just like this. So it says give me YouTube shorts ideas. Now what you have to do next is to make sure that you select this option that says Deep Think arrow 1. Okay, make sure it's blue just like you see mine, and then you're also going to turn on this option that says search just like that. After that, you're just going to go ahead and click on this button, and then we are going to see what results this AI is going to generate for us. Like you can see right now, it's thinking through the whole process, and it's going to give us a detailed results that we can work with. So here are the final results that they've generated for us. Like you can see, now all you have to do is to go through all of them and you see which one resonates with you the best. Okay, so personally, I like idea number 9. So this is what we are going to be using for today's guide. And like you can see down here, they also went ahead to give you pro tips that you can use in order to have a successful YouTube Shorts channel. For example, you can hook viewers in the first 3 seconds by asking a question, show a surprise. You can also use bold text overlays and trending music, post consistently 3 to 5 times a week, and use hashtags like hashtag shorts, viral, or niche tags. Okay, so you can also engage with comments to boost visibility. So now that we said we are going to be using option number 9, I'm going to go ahead and input a new prompt. Okay, so let me paste it over here. It says, I like idea number 9. Can you generate for me advice montage of things I wish I knew at 20? So this is part of the results they gave us when it came to option number 9, which is personal growth and motivation. So like you can see, it has 1-minute morning routine upgrades, things I wish I knew at 20. So this is the option we are going to be working with. Then there is also 60-second confidence boosters. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on generate to see what results we are going to get this time around. So like you can see, these are the different results that it has generated for us, and it begins with structure and visual ideas like you can see. So it goes ahead to give you 3 to 30 seconds advisors like you can see over here. So this is what we are going to be using. Now all we have to do is to copy this, and then we are going to paste it in a Google Docs, okay, for easy use. So let me go ahead and do that really quick. So you can go ahead and ask this AI to also provide you with a script for all scenes with a narrator's voiceover. And this is what it's going to look like. For example, when we come to scene 1, which is the hook, you're going to see that it provides you with visuals. For example, close up of hands flipping through an old journal or photo album. Then this is the text overlay that you're going to be using, and then down here it provides you with the narrator's voiceover. So this is what our narrator is going to be saying. Okay, and this technique is going to make everything easy for us once we get onto the step of generating voiceovers for our YouTube shorts, because we have everything ready. Okay, so let's go ahead and copy this. Actually, we are going to be using this version because it's more clear and more easy to use. Let me go ahead and copy it, then I'll go and paste it in our Google Docs. Then we will proceed on to our next step. So the next tool we are going to be using is known as Canva. So you can access it via www.canva.com, and this is what its interface looks like. So once you're here, all you have to do is to click on this option over here, the search bar, and now you're going to search for YouTube Shorts, or you'll search for TikTok since they have the same size. But in this particular video, let's stick to YouTube Shorts. Okay, and like you can see, they'll bring you a variety of templates that you can work with. So if you want to build with templates, you can go ahead and find the one you want to use, and then you build from that. But for today's video, we are going to be building everything from scratch. So let's go ahead and click on the create a blank option, and they're going to bring us a new canvas that we are going to be using with the perfect YouTube short video size. Here is our canvas that we are going to be using. You can go ahead and increase or reduce on it from down here. So let's go ahead and start following our guide to create our beautiful YouTube short video. So let's start with the first scene, which is the hook. So like you can see, the visuals are close up of hands flipping through an old journal or photo album. So we are going to go ahead and copy this, okay, just like this, and then you're going to go over to Canva. Then you'll choose this option of elements over here. Then you're going to go ahead and input the prompt over there. Then you're going to click on your enter button. So this is going to give you the different options available. So what we are looking for is the video option. So you're just going to go through these different videos, and you see the one which best describes your visual. So once you've made up your mind on which one you want to use, you're just going to go ahead and click on it just like this. Then you're going to drag it by the corners to make sure that it covers the canvas really well. Then you're going to go ahead and position it so that it looks good on the screen, just like this. So I think it looks good over there. Okay, we can work with that. Now before we move on to our next step, I want to show you another tool that you can use to get free videos, which is known as pixels. So once you're on this tool, all you have to do is to click on this option over here that says videos. Then you're going to turn that to videos. Then all you have to do is to input your prompt over here, and then you'll search for specifically what you want. Okay, like you can see, this tool will give you a variety of free different videos that you can download and then you use for your YouTube shorts. Next, we need to add text to our video, and to do that, we are going to come over here on the left and we will click on the text option over here, just like that. So we are going to choose this option that says add a heading. We will click on that, and like you can see, it's going to surface on your screen over here. So let's go back to Google Docs and we see what our text says. So it says 10 things I wish I knew at 20. So I'm going to copy this, okay, just like this, and then we are going to go ahead and paste it in Canva, okay, just over here. So it's going to replace this text over here, just like this. So there is so many things we can do when it comes to our text. For example, you can reposition it to a different position, okay, just like that. You can also change the font style by clicking over here, okay, just like this. Like you can see on the left side, they'll give you different font styles that you can choose from. So let's try this particular one over here. Like you can see, it has become a bit more bigger and it's more visible, like you can see. So I'll reduce on that slightly. You can also go ahead and change the font color from here. So there is different color options over here that you can go through and you see which one you like the best. like you can see. So you can also add effects to your font by clicking on the effects button over here. So it's going to bring you different effects available. So you just have to go through all of them and you see which one you like the best. Let's try this particular one. I think that looks good. And you can also change the color of the the background of the font. Okay, so let's change that to a different color. Let's try something yellow. Like you can see, everything automatically changes. Okay, so that looks great right now. You can also choose to add animations. Still, you'll go through the different options available and you see which one you like best. Then you'll use that particular one. So let's use this one. I think it looks good. So you're just going to click on it, and that way it will automatically be added to your video. So now that we have our first page ready, let's go ahead and reduce on the size so that we have the perfect size for our video. So we want it at 3 seconds, just there, like that. So we are going to go ahead and add a new page. We are also going to make that 3 seconds, okay? Because on the details that were given to us by DeepSeek, like you can see, the hook is from 0 to 3 seconds. So we are good. Now let's work on the second page. Then after that, I'm going to show you how you can add a voiceover to your video. Following the same exact steps that we took for the first clip, I was able to find a background video for our YouTube short. But now here is the thing. When it comes to the text, you don't have to rewrite everything or to regenerate everything. So all you have to do is to come back to the first clip. Then you're going to click on the text over here. You will right click and then you click on copy. So you will go back to your second clip and then you're just going to paste this over here so that you have the same exact design. Now all you have to do is to go ahead and change the font to something different. So our second text says stop people pleasing. So we are going to copy this and this is what we are going to paste over there. So let's copy, go back to Canva, and then we are going to delete everything over here, just like this. Okay, let me just highlight everything. Then I'm going to replace the current text with the text we just copied from our Google Docs, okay, just like that. Following the same exact steps, you're going to create more clips so that you can have one singular YouTube video short that you're going to upload onto your channel. Now, the next step is to add a voiceover to our YouTube short video. Generate our audio, we are going to be using a tool known as ElevenLabs. So you can access it via ElevenLabs.io and it's going to bring you to this page over here. So what you're going to do is to click on this button that says get started for free. It will then bring you over here, and what you want to do is to select the text to speech option, just like that. It's going to bring you to this interface. Then you're going to go back to your Google Docs and collect the narrator's voiceover script. So this one says, if I could go back, here is what I would tell my 20-year-old self. So we are going to collect this one for the first scene. So you're just going to copy it, go back to ElevenLabs, and you paste it over here, just like that. You'll click on your enter button, create space. Then you go back and then collect for the second scene. Okay, so you're going to copy this as well, just like this. Then you go back to ElevenLabs and paste it over here. So that's what you're going to do for all the remaining parts of your video. Since we only worked on 2 video clips, I'm going to stick to these 2. And on the right side here, you can see that it gives you a variety of options of different voiceover personnels that you can choose from. So all you have to do is to go through all these different ones and you choose a specific one that you'd like to use. Once you select the one you want to use, like for example, we are going to be using Liam for this video, then you will just click on the generate speech option, and that way your speech is going to be generated. And once it's ready, is to click on the download button over here, and then you're going to save it onto your device. And let's go back to Canva and I show you how we are going to use it. Back in Canva, we are going to choose this upload option over here, and then we are going to click on upload files. So that way we are going to access the audio that we just downloaded from ElevenLabs, and then we are going to go ahead and upload it over here. So after that, we are just going to just drag and drop it down here, just like that. Then I'm going to drag it to the beginning, okay, just like that. Now I'm going to play it, listen to everything, and make sure that voiceover aligns with the video. So let me do this really quick off screen. Then I'm going to show you how we are going to add soundtracks to our video before we download it. So everything looks great right now. The first audio did not align with the video really well because I had downloaded the wrong audio. So once I fixed that, like you can see, everything looks great. Now you can also go ahead to add some transitions to your video, and all you have to do is to click over here in between the videos, and then you'll click on add transition. So they're going to bring you the different options so you can check them out and see which one you like best. So if you find it, you're just going to add that exactly one. So let me see the one we would like to use. I think we should use this one. Okay, that slide looks good. So I'm going to add that. Then now let's head over to another tool and I show you how you can download free soundtracks. The next tool we are going to use is known as Pixabay. So this is what is going to give us royalty-free music. And all you have to do is to type in the type of music that you're searching for. So all I did is to type in YouTube Shorts viral, and like you can see, they brought a variety of options over here. So you're just going to listen to this. If you like any of these, you're just going to go ahead and download. Then if you don't like the results, you can always go back and search for something maybe a bit more detailed and specific. So we are going to be using this first option. So let me go ahead and click on the download option over here. Then we are going to go ahead and we add it onto our video. So back in Canva, once again, you're going to click on the uploads option. Then you'll click on upload files. That way you'll be able to, upload your sound track. So after that, you're just going to drag it, just like we did with the voice audio. Then you're going to drag it and you make sure it fits the entire video. Okay. So now let's go ahead and play this to see how it has come out.
If I could go back, here's what I'd tell my 20-year-old self. Your self-worth isn't defined by how much you people please. Stop apologizing for simply existing.
I think that has turned out really great. We've done an amazing job, guys. I'm so proud of you guys. So maybe one more thing I should point out is that you don't want the background music to compete with the message. So what you're going to do is to click on the track down here, and then it's going to give you access to this bar over here. So you'll just click on the volume option. Then that way you'll be able to reduce on the volume. Okay, so after that, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on the share button. Then you're going to click on download. So you're going to download this as an MP4 video, and then it will be ready to upload onto your YouTube channel. And yes, guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. Once again, if you found value in this video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and see you in my next one. Bye.